Earn an extra $100 up to $5,000 per day for free in 2021 with this brand new app that allows you to place multiple affiliate links onto one landing page. It's 100% free and it's easy to set up. In fact, you can have a professional looking affiliate marketing landing page in just seconds. Affiliate marketing is the easiest way to make the most money online in 2021, but you do need to know how to either build a website or have the money to pay somebody to do it for you, because most places will not allow you to either A, advertise an affiliate link, or B, post an affiliate link on a site without a professional looking landing page. Well, now this new app solves that problem for you. You can now become a successful affiliate marketer and you don't have to have any technical skill. You don't have to know how to build a website. And yes, I did say app. This can be done from your phone, from your Android device or your Apple device or your desktop computer. So if you follow every step in this video exactly how I'm going to show you, you will make an extra $100 to $5,000 per day in passive income. That's online money into your bank account. This is making money while you sleep, okay? And this is very easy. Again, this is for beginners. You do not have to have any technical skill as far as website building whatsoever, and this is available worldwide. And step number one is the most important step. You need to subscribe to Online Moneymaker if you haven't done so already. Subscribe to Online Moneymaker, like this video, make sure you turn on that notification bell so you don't miss out on any of the tips, tricks, and hacks that we give you every day on how to make money online in 2021. The site we'll be using today is called bio.link. That's just bio.link, no bio.link.com. You can just find it at bio.link, and I'm on my computer right now for this demonstration, but this is also an app that you can download to your iPhone or your Android device. What this allows us to do is create a simple yet professional looking little landing page, and we can display as many different exterior links as we want on that home landing page. It's also going to allow us to name each one of these buttons that lead to those affiliate links. So we can put some nice catchy lines in there, what we call clickbait. And I'll give you some great examples of that later on in the video, and it will all make sense. It's a great sales tactic. It's a great way to make money and to get people to click on these links. And yes, it is a 100% free app that you can use. The only way you will pay is if you use their subscribers feature. That means you're building an email list and you're using this app to send emails out. That's the only thing you will pay for. However, the method I'm going to show you today, you will not need that. This is going to be free for everybody around the world. And signing up is very quick and easy. You can either sign up with your Google account, your Facebook account, or your Twitter account, or you can just sign up the traditional way with an email. However, I do not want you to sign up right now because there's certain things within the sign up process that will appear on your landing page. So we need to get that right. We need to do a couple other things first. So do not sign up just yet. First, we're going to need to find a minimum of 3 products that we can promote, and for that we can either use Clickbank at clickbank.com, or if that's not available in your country, I would suggest Digistore24. Both sites are pretty much the same thing. We're just going to be picking 3 products in the same niche to promote. So clickbank.com seems to be down today when I'm recording this video, so I went ahead and created a new account at Digistore24. As you can see, I only use Clickbank, but Digistore24 is the exact same thing, so don't worry about the 0 sales here. This is a brand new account. So what we're going to do, we need to find some products in the same niche. So go to Marketplace and hit the drop-down menu, and we want to go ahead and click on All Offers on the Affiliate Marketplace. And that will take us here to this page, which will display all the wonderful products that we can promote and make money from. So these are the niches you can look over on the left-hand side. Now we want 3 products, and this will make sense later. We want 3 products out of the same niche. So I would suggest you pick a niche that you're already interested in or you already know something about, okay? I can tell you right now that the health and fitness products, those sell the most. Those are the easiest to sell, but you just need to take some time here and explore these products. But first, I'm going to show you how you get paid. So I just clicked right here under the betting systems niche, which is a great niche, by the way. I've got a bio.link profile up centered around betting systems. So let's look at this first product right here, the lottery defeater software. Now, we can see that the average earning per sale for us would be $192, and we get a 65% commission, okay? So that's a lot of money for one sale, and we look down here, they've got a 0% cancellation rate. That means people that have bought this, they do not cancel, because if they cancel, you're not going to get paid. Makes sense? The next thing we want to do is see what kind of landing page they have, because when somebody clicks on our link, if we're promoting this page, we need to see where those customers are being taken to. So we just want to click right here where it says sales page, and that should take us to the landing page. And this is good. You really want something with a video. It's attention grabbing and it converts more often than not. So that's a good product right there. We're going to use that one. So if you'd like to follow along with me and use betting systems, use those types of products, go ahead. But otherwise, I would suggest exploring these different niches and definitely find something that you at least know a little bit about or you are interested in, okay? Because it's going to make this whole process, this whole method I'm teaching you, a lot easier. So when you want to promote a product, all you want to do is hit promote now. And that will take us to a page where we can generate this personal link. This is going to be our personal link that's going to take us to the landing page with that video that we saw before. And when somebody clicks on that link and purchases that product, you get the commission. So all you want to do is copy this link right here. And then you want to save that link somewhere with the name of the product. So I'm saving it here in my notes. Just save it somewhere, write it down if you want, but we're going to need the name of that product and the link, our personal link. Now that we've got the niche we're going to work with, let's head back over to bio.link, and now we can set up the account. So you want to just enter your email address and your bio.link / your username, okay? So make your username something that has to do with the niche you're in, okay? Now it's time to complete your profile on bio.link and add your first product in. So first things first, where it says your name, that does not mean put your real name. That means we want to put a name that relates to our niche, something attention grabbing. So if you are in the health and fitness niche, put in like, Mr. Health or something. In my case, I'm going to put in Mr. Lottery because that's kind of catchy, okay? That's going to appear right at the top here, and we'll come back and add a picture there in a second. Now what we want to do is add our first product in. So the link that we saved will go right down here, okay? So we'll paste that link in there, okay? And now we want to add a title to it, because this is the only thing that's going to appear on the button that people can push to go to that product. So we want to think of something real catchy, some clickbait, something along these lines, something that's going to get people to click. So I put lottery winner shares his secret, exclamation point, exclamation point, exclamation point, okay? Because they're not going to see the link on your page. They're only going to see this, and that is going to get some attention. The next thing you probably want to do is add a picture in here, something that also relates to your niche. So if you've got one in mind, if you already have one, you can just drop it in right there. If you want to know where to get some high quality free ones, just go to this site right here, Pexels.com. That's Pexels.com. This is 100% free to use. These are free, copyright-free photos and videos that you can use, and you can take them and use them anywhere you want. They're high quality. So all you're going to do is type in the subject of your niche, and for me that's going to be gambling, so we can see what comes up if we type in gambling, and I'm sure there will be a bunch of high quality ones. So I like these dice right here. That looks cool. So I'll just download it right here, and I will get it over onto my desktop. And then we'll just drop it right in there, and it should come up. Yeah, that looks good enough, so we'll go ahead and save that. And you can see down here they've got some different themes that you can use. So for the heck of it, let's just go ahead and use this rainy night theme there. That'll make it look cool. Okay, so we've got one link in there. Your job now is to go back and find at least 2 more products that relate to your niche and add them onto your page here. And let's just see what this looks like so far. So we can hit design, and right up here at the top, this is your link, okay? You can copy that, and we'll throw it into a new tab. So here it is so far. That looks pretty cool. This is the view from the desktop, but and for some reason the profile picture didn't load. I would have to go back and just redrop that in, but you can see here's our number 1 link. We just want a bunch more right here, and see what happens if we click on that. That's going to redirect right to that sale page people that want to win the lottery. So this is pretty cool for all you beginner affiliate marketers that don't know how to build a website. This looks better almost than anything you're going to be able to build or pay somebody to build. So your job now is to take your link and share it wherever you can. Just get it out to the world, put it on your social media, go to forums on Google that relate to your niche, all that stuff. Just get it out there, get a bunch of products in here and start making money. And now you got to subscribe to Online Moneymaker. Please hit that subscribe button, like this video. Love me long time. This is Online Moneymaker.